Hey guys, out here doing some repairs today. Got that pesky code 7 well sensor fault. That's great placement of that union, by the way. Bad gas control valve. This is what usually happens. We miss that piece of metal off the back of that nipple. Get a new control valve put in there. We're all good, up and running. Switch the placement of that shutoff. Now we're in good shape. Some tankless troubleshooting. Definitely got some pressure issues here on that gas line. Regulator on, get it all situated, and this is how we make it hot.